Well, the persecution of immigrant children in Oklahoma has begun. Ryan Walters, who is the state superintendent of schools in Oklahoma, has announced today that they will begin asking students for their citizenship status upon enrollment, and they will then be reporting the undocumented students in every district to the state and federal level in order to assist Trump in addressing the problem of illegal immigration. Now, federal law under a 1982 Supreme Court case has already held that it is illegal to ask about the citizenship status of a public school student, and that undocumented students, are guaranteed education. However, Ryan Walters is the same joke of a guy who required videos of him praying for Trump to be played at the beginning of school days. And so, although it's a completely off-the-wall, unconstitutional policy that I fully expect to be challenged in court by different immigrants' rights organizations, I'm not surprised that he thought he could pull this off. And until it is overturned by a court, it is the active policy. So, just because in theory it is not constitutional or it is not, authorized by our Supreme Court, it doesn't mean that it's not going to be implemented until a court says otherwise. And to be honest, this is going to be challenged in most likely a conservative court. So who knows how far this will go up the ranks in litigation. And if it does end up in the Supreme Court, if this does go to a majority conservative Supreme Court, I wouldn't be surprised if they overturn that 1982 decision.